Hey YouTube, bought another LEDs for work. The seller sent me the wrong one. This is a single color instead of a bicolor, but I tried it today at work at the wedding and it was good. Disclaimer, I'm not a photographer, as you can see. I'm the lighting guy of the venue, and just we had a little bit of problem with lighting because of the trees. I couldn't light it from above, so I bought a bunch of photographers light LEDs, so kinda liking them, and today the photographers were very happy with them, with the family photos and the chuppah. They did their job. So let's make a tiny video of them. I will split this video into two halves. In this half I'm gonna show you what's come with the kit, and I'll tell you what are the good things and the bad things that I come across till now, and then I'm gonna take it apart and see the inside to see how good are the weldings and the build quality from the inside. And on the next video I'll take a video of it in the venue aimed at people, so you can see what kind of job it can do. So first of all, the seller sent me the wrong one. It's the tl-600s. It goes by the name of Travor or Spash. They are both the same thing, just two different names for some reason. So this is the single color one, and I'm supposed to get the correct one, the bicolor one, soon. And the package comes in this bag. Nice bag. Very nice interior, very soft, padded. You got 3 stands inside with this adapter. Looks pretty sturdy. The stand itself sort of looks like something from kids' toys, but it's sturdy enough, it doesn't wobble, and it does its job. It comes with 6 batteries, Sony batteries, 4 chargers, and 3 power supplies. And the bag itself is big enough for me to stick my Velcrox in. I love this light. Fucking amazing. I like the bag, I like the stands, look a bit cheap, but okay for the price, and they do their job. You also get a white filter and a orange filter with a single color. The bicolor only come with a diffuser filter and doesn't come with this filter, obviously. And it comes with a remote that, if you get the bicolor, it also controls the temperature, and you can assign the light, each fixture to each button. You got 4 groups. You can put them all on one group. You can get each one a different group, and if you press the buttons at the top, these are the masters, so you can control all the different groups at once, which is very nice. By the way, it's the same remote as the My Light control. They got controllers and also LED light bulbs, which I own, and I got 2 of these remotes for my room, and they working for 2 years now, so the remote is good. Now, as far as the lights go, I got a problem with this one. The tab that locks the battery sunk a bit, so the battery won't lock it in place. But when I tear it apart, I'll see if I can push it from the other side. Apart from that, the light itself makes a very bright light. It looks nice. It's got the digital readout, which is lit in, and here's the light went off, and here's the light went on, and also the buttons are lit in. You got a power jack, a sync jack to connect to other fixtures, and 2 Sony batteries holders, and also barn doors, obviously. that's it as far as the parts. Now let's show you this thing aimed at my PC, and then we'll tear it apart. So back in my messy room, put it on its stand right in front of my PC, and it runs on single battery, doesn't need the both, and that's 10%, 20, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100%. Pretty bright. Let's show you the ceiling a bit. It's with it, and hard to do it one-handed. Okay, let's aim it over there. So that's with him, and here's my doggy. And turn it off and turn it on. Pretty bright, and it throws pretty far, so really happy with him. Let's just look at my PC a little bit. What a gorgeous, what a little gorgeous. Okay, time to take this thing apart. I'm sorry for not making a video of taking it apart. I'll just take it apart and show you what it looks like inside, because I don't have a tripod to hold my phone and it's pretty messy in my room, so I'll just pause, take it apart, and we'll continue from there. Oh, one more tiny thing. The filters just attach magnetically, which is pretty nice, and they don't move anywhere, so nice feature. Although this thing's supposed to be a diffuser and it doesn't really diffuse, but so took it apart. Looks pretty nice from the inside. Apparently it's also got an infrared remote control option. It's got one receiver in here, point to the back, and another one on the LED board facing the front. But I don't have this remote. I've got the RF one. This is the power module, which I couldn't take apart because it's connected to the switch and I didn't want to desolder it. And this is the RF module, which from some reason they got the antenna folded. I think I'll just open this antenna up and increase my range a bit. That just sits here. And as far as the LED board, it's got the option for the bicolor, but obviously it's connected as a single color. And apart from a few smudges here and there, all the weldings looks pretty nice. Everything looks pretty clean. Really can't complain. Good build quality. Where the batteries lies, there are holes where the pins that hold the battery, so they got a piece of fabric in here to cover the holes to prevent dust to coming in. Although dust can come from here, but never mind. Nice build quality. Looks pretty nice, and I hope it lasts for long. So that's the picture from the inside. See you in the next video when I'll shoot at the venue a little bit. Bye bye.